What a beautiful shaver. Looks so luxurious. I just see joy. Do you? What's up everybody, this is KG. Today I'm here to do a review on the SEJOY S3 BlackStone Rotary Shaver. And it promises to have all the luxury features within one rotary shaver product. Now if you've already been watching my channel, you know I do reviews on different types of men's products, shavers, hair clippers, things like that. And I'm always excited to try out new brands. And SEJOY is one brand that I've seen around quite a bit, but I've never had a chance to try out a product until now. And one thing I really like to see is different brands compete against one another and help up the competition between them so people provide more features within each of their products and they come more, as you would call it, fully loaded. And I would say this is a fully loaded rotary shaver. The other thing about SEJOY is that it is a more economically priced brand. So if you're looking for something that is within a good budget, maybe as a gift item, maybe for yourself, and comes with everything you're looking for in one shot, this is something worth looking at. So stick around for this review. I'm going to break down everything for you and you can decide for yourself if this is worth it for your own purchase. Now before I unbox, I just wanted to let you know that SEJOY did send this to me directly as a gift to try out, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, so let's open this up. Taking out the box. And if you look here, there's an instruction booklet. And we'll open all this up one by one. So it does come with a nice set of instructions here, two-sided. If you flip it over on the other side, it looks like this. I also want to quickly read you some of the features that are written on the box. So it can be used for wet or dry use. It has a travel lock, LED display. On this side you get a view of the rotary heads, and I think that is the trimmer for your sideburns. Some product information on the back. And some more features in here. So you got your rotary blades, your high energy lithium ion battery, USB charger, and IPX7 Waterproof. So if I open up this little package here first, you can see here it's like a double-sided brush to clean your heads. And here you have a charger, and you can see your heads here, your USB over here, and your USB-C. And now let's open up the shaver itself, and voila. Wow, it's really pretty and shiny looking. It's a really nice looking shaver. It has a protective cover on it. Just took it off. And this is a close-up of the heads right here. And yep, you can see, so this is for contouring to the face. It feels really nice, good quality actually. And up close here you can see the SEJOY logo. And I guess in the shiny area below, you're going to be able to see when I turn it on how the LED works. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's a power button right around here. So if we're looking on the back side here, this is where you would have your sideburn trimmer. There's some specs written here on the product, so you can read through those if you want. And in order to open this sideburn shaver, you usually have to pull this downward. So I'm going to do it right now. Squeeze and pull down, and yeah, and that comes out. Do it one more time. That's pretty straightforward. Also in the front over here, there's a button to open the shaver head. So if you push that, that will open the shaver head. And you can see in here, it has all the mechanisms in here. You would have to open this up if you want to clean the three heads below. So they are removable and cleanable. And you can see again on this side, they look quite pretty. They have their SEJOY logo on there. So it looks really, really nice. So now I'll close the lid back up, snap. You can also put the protective cover back on, and that goes on nicely. So this is the product here. Now it looks really nice, it's shiny, it feels good quality. It has a little bit of weight to it. And I think that is because this comes with a very, very strong battery. So if you look at the other SEJOY rotary shavers, like the S1, the previous model, it comes with a 600 milliamp lithium ion battery. And this one comes with the 1400 milliamp battery. So it's like a lot bigger, so it holds a bigger charge. The purported runtime on this one is 150 minutes. So that's about 2.5 hours of runtime on one charge. The specs say it takes 2 hours to do a full charge on it, and it will give you a 2.5 hour runtime. So imagine how many shaves you can do before you need to recharge this battery again. It's especially really good if you're going on trips and things like that. You could just charge it before you go and you probably won't need to charge it till you come back again. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is turn on the power and see how the LED screen reacts. And you can see here it's showing 100% power. So you can see it lights up nicely. It's pretty cool. A nice looking screen there. And let's bring the heads down. So you can hear the sound. It's actually not really loud. It's supposed to be a quiet, I think 63 or 67 decibel sound max. And it isn't very loud. It's quite comfortable sound to be using it to. Okay, so let's turn it off. And the button is pretty sturdy. It feels good quality. Now to turn on the lock, you're supposed to hold it down for 3 seconds. So let's hold it down. And this is the travel lock. So that means that if you try to push the power button now, it won't turn on. It'll just do these 2 beeps. So if you put it in your luggage bag or you do something, you won't accidentally turn it on. Now to disable this, you got to hold it down again for another couple of seconds. Now you let it go and it flashed on and off there. Now it should work again. So yeah, there you go. So travel lock is another thing. And there's 2 other lights that will go on here. One is for maintenance and cleaning. It looks like the shape of a tap water, meaning you got to clean it out. And then there's an exclamation mark light that will go on. If anything's stuck or is not working properly, then that means you got to also check it to make sure it's not blocked and you can clean. Again, for cleaning, you want to just push this over here and you can open it up. And like I said before, you can easily clean it. You can rinse it out. You can just rinse it with water in all these areas to clean it out. And this thing actually opens up and comes out so that you can clean individual heads if you need to. So I quickly want to show you this from close up. You can see it tells you which direction to turn in. So if you turn this, this actually comes right out like so. You can see it looks like this, and then each individual piece can come out and you can clean them and put them back in. I'm not going to do it right now, but I just wanted you to see how it can be done. Okay, and now I popped it back on, and you just got to twist this again, turn it so that it locks. And there you go. Now this is ready for use once again. Pop the lid on and you're ready to go. Now the feel of it in my hand is quite ergonomic, nice design. If I'm pushing the power button, I could just do it with my thumb. It will come on like so. Feels good holding it. Still at 100%. So it feels nice. If I want to open the back, I can pull this down. It will open the trimmer. I can close that off. I can turn it off. So everything feels good, easy to use. I haven't tested it out yet, so the next step will be to test it out. But this is pretty much it. The other thing it says is IPX7 Waterproof, which is pretty cool. So up to 1 meter of water, it can sit in there for about 30 minutes and it will not let water in. That's the rating, IPX7. Again, that's why I'm saying this is like a fully loaded shaver, like a rotary shaver that comes with all these fancy options. The travel protection, it comes with waterproof, it comes with wet and dry shave. It has so many different things, all in a nice compact shaver, and it looks so professional and beautiful. It looks like a top quality product. So with this in mind, I'm expecting a good performance to go with it. Now, one thing I do want to tell you is that I do have a link for this product in the description box. So if you're interested in purchasing it, go have a look from over there. And I do have a discount code as well to help you to have an even better price on this product. But of course, before you make that decision, stick around, watch the demo. Let's see how that goes. Okay, it's been a few days now and I've let some of my hair grow in around my beard. So I'm ready at this point to do a demo on it. I will test this area with the razor. Now once again, this is a 4-directional head. All these individual things move and they contour with your face. So in this area, it's definitely going to be a little bit tricky. So we'll see how it does with that. The other thing is, it is a wet or dry shave. My hair is pretty thick, so I am going to wet it, put some water first, just to get it a little bit softer. And then I will shave it with that. So I'm just going to put some water here to wet the area. Let it soak up a little bit. The other good thing to remember is that it is waterproof, so we'll also do a little test on that too later. I might also give the trimmer a try too, to just slightly shape the bottom of my beard, see how it does with that as well. So first thing I'm going to test out now is the shaving. So let's give it a go. Power on. It's at 100%, straight out of the box. I'm doing a wet shave. No pain or anything, it's quite soft. Even in this weird contour area. Trying to get as close to my line as possible. Okay, so let me just turn it off. So the area I've shaved, just to give it a feel for now, yeah, it's done a pretty good job. I would say, if I was to give it a ranking out of a 10, I would say this is a good 8 out of 10 in closeness. You'll never get as close as a razor blade, right? I think a razor blade is the closest shave you're going to get. But when you're using these electric ones, this is pretty good. Because I can do a wet shave on it, it can come a lot closer. I think if it was dry, it wouldn't be as close for my particular hair type, but I would give this an 8. It's pretty good. For these types of blades, definitely doing the job it's supposed to do. Now obviously I'm not done yet, but I want to test out also the trimmer here. So let me give this a go as well and see if I can actually shape the bottom of my beard with it. So it is trimming it and helping shape it for sure. I think my hair here is still pretty short. I think it's the way it feels right now, it is helping shape it, but I would definitely double over it with a blade to make it a sharper line. I think this would probably be more for sideburns. It would work best there for this type of thing. If you're in a pinch, it can do the job for you. I can see it working, but it's not as sharp as if you have a blade. So if you look, it's kind of started shaping it a bit and it's doing the job. Basically, it is working well. It seems nice, feels good quality. Like I said before, it feels fairly heavy duty. And let me just try to finish off a little bit more shaving underneath. Okay, so that's my finished job. So I went over a little bit more and now it's pretty clean down here. So yeah, definitely 8 out of 10. Very good. I like it. For an electric shaver, I definitely give it my seal of approval. If you're looking for something that you can take with you traveling, it's a good travel piece here. Remember, because it doesn't have a plug, you can take it anywhere around the world with you. You can charge it and then take it and use it anywhere in the world. Also, the other cool thing is the USB-C underneath here. So I use this for a little bit, and if I turn it on now, let's see how much battery was used up. It's at 98, so it like literally used 2% of the battery. So imagine how long this thing can go for. So I'm at 98% after using it for this section. I can also use it here and here later, but for the demo, this is good enough. Definitely, and this is a tougher area to shave too, right? It might come even smoother on a smoother surface. This is a more jaggedy. You got your neck here and your Adam's apple area and all this. So assuming this is the toughest part to shave, and if I give it an 8 here, it might become a 9 over there. So definitely a good product. I am impressed with it. I like it. And that's pretty much the demo for the shaving part. Let's test it out in the water. Okay, so this is supposed to be waterproof. I did just shave with this, so let's open it up. If you just need to rinse it, typically you can just turn some water on and rinse it out. It should be fully waterproof though, right? So what if we put water anywhere in it? Where the charger goes, where this goes. Put water all over. Let's just give it a little test. And even open this up. Put water everywhere. For it could potentially seep in. Let's turn it on also while it has water running on it. So water's running. Got it on, nothing's stopping. Let's pause it for a sec. Let's close it off. Close the trimmer. Turn it back on. So imagine you're taking a shower and you want to use it while you're showering. Will it still work? Looks like the answer to that is yes. Yep. No effect on the function. So there you go. Proof that it is waterproof. Very nice. So even if you're one of those people who likes to use a shaver in the shower, you have that option with this guy. IPX7 Waterproof. Very nice. Okay, so we just did the water test on this and looks like it held up. But now the next question is, will it be able to charge right after that? I have dried it up with the towel and I'm just taking a tissue paper and dabbing underneath here to make sure I get all the water out. Assuming it's waterproof, the water should have stayed on the outside and should just come out and dry up. And now I'm taking the even easier route. This is the charger for my cell phone. So I'm not even using the charger that came with it. I'm just going to test it out with a random USB-C charger. So let's see if it works. Plugging it in, and there you go. 98 and is flashing. So that means it's charging. Now the other interesting thing about it is because it came fully charged. Normally I show a video of a product and it's like half charged when it comes out of the box. In this case it was charged at 100%, so I didn't even have to charge it. This is like a bonus charging section just to show you what it looks like. And then when it gets to 100% I'll show it to you again. It's already at 99%, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to take much longer to get to 100%. And then you can see what happens when it is fully charged again. And there we go, 100%. And it just goes solid at that point. So that's what happens when you charge it. It gets you right back to 100%, ready to use fully charged once again. I love all the options on this razor. It's definitely something great. My father likes these triple head style shavers, so definitely something I'm going to gift to him after I'm done this video, and I'm sure he's going to love using this. But definitely gift worthy, or even for yourself if you're looking for something decent. I definitely would recommend it, yes. So this is my review on the SEJOY S3 BlackStone Rotary Shaver. If you like this product as much as I do, definitely go check the description box, click on the link and purchase your own for yourself. Get it as a gift for whoever you might want to get it for. And I'm pretty sure you're going to be satisfied with this product. Now, if you have any further questions or you want more details about it, please leave a message for me in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please do so and remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Take care and we'll see you guys again next time. Peace out.